Hi my dear students. So we have completed multiplications of algebraic expressions in the last class. I was explained some problems by one and I gave you some homework to you. I think some of the students were completed well. So now we are moving on to the same topic, multiplications of algebraic expressions, the problems which were in our textbook. We have to solve the problems which were in our textbook. So there are some problems are there. So multiplications. So we can continue the notes. We can continue the notes means multiplications of algebraic expressions. So we are completed up to the last problem I gave you. So we can continue the notes. The problems which were in our hand sheet 4, page number 23. Already we have completed editions of first and second and third sum. Third sum actually I told you the third problem have some mistake. So there is no option for the question. So we have to write the correct answer. So we can strike the remaining options. Okay. Now move on to the multiplications. If you observe I am explaining fourth problem. Write down. The fourth problem is if 4x plus 7 into 4x minus 7 into 16x square plus 49 is equal to p. Then find the value of p. Then find the value of p. I hope you have already know some algebraic expressions formulas. Do you know a plus b whole square formula? What is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Do you know the formula of a minus b whole square? That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Do you know the formula of a square minus b square? That means a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. This is also multiplications. These are also multiplications of algebraic expressions. We have to multiply a plus b with a minus b. If you multiply a plus b with a minus b, we are getting a square minus b square. So the same way, if you multiply a plus b into a plus b, we are getting a square plus b square plus 2ab. The same way, if you multiply a minus b with a minus b, we are getting a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b. If you have any doubts, we can multiply a plus b with a plus b, a minus b with a minus b, a plus b with a minus b. If you get the same answers. So now these three problems are very important in algebraic expressions. Not only these three, we have so many problems we will discuss in the next class. So algebraic expressions identities. If you see these problems, if you multiply a plus b with a minus b, we are getting a square minus b square. The same way, if you multiply a plus b with a plus b, so we are reading as a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square. So if you know the formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b into a minus b we call as a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. By these three problems, very useful to solve the multiplications of algebraic expressions. Sometimes if you want to multiply here in our problem, sometimes if you see our problem here 4x plus 7 into 4x minus 7, if you observe the first two terms, these are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. In this way, so no need to multiply binomial with binomial. We can directly apply the formula. The formula is a square minus b square. So we can solve this problem. I am writing the problem is 4x plus 7 into 4x minus 7 into 16x square plus 49. This is the problem. So if you observe the first two terms, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to the formula is a square minus b square. What is a here? 4x. So we are writing 4x whole square minus 7 square. This is the first two terms. And the next term is 6x square plus 49. We can apply this. 4x whole square means 16x square minus 7 square is 49 into this is 16x square plus 49. Have you understand this? 16x square plus 49 minus 49 into 16x square plus 49. So again this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. This is again here a minus b into a plus b. Again the formula is a square minus b square, that is 16x square whole square minus 49 whole square. 16 square is 256, x square whole square is x to the power of 4 minus 49 square is 2401. This is the answer of the problem. So how can we solve this problem? So if you know the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, we can apply the formula, we can get the answer very easily. So if you don't know the formula of a plus b into a minus b, we can directly multiply 4 binomial into binomial, we will get one answer. Again we are getting binomial, again we can multiply binomial with binomial, we are getting the same answer. When we are using these three formulas, we are getting the answers very easily, and the process also very simple way. So be careful students. Please keep on mind these three problems. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If you have a doubt how it becomes a square by a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, how it comes means we can multiply a with a minus b, again b with a minus b, we will get the answer. The same way a plus b into a plus b, we can multiply, we will get the answer. Okay, note on the fourth problem in your CW. Okay, American. If you see the fifth question, multi-choice type question. Multi-choice type question. The question is, if the product of two binomials is, I am writing on the board, I will explain this problem. This is the fifth problem. If product of two binomials is 18x to the power of 5 y power 5 minus 9x to the power of 6 y power 4 minus 8x to the power of 4 y power 6. Then the binomials are they are given the question. So you can go for options. The first one is 4x square y cube minus 3x cube y square. 4x square y cube minus 3x cube y square. And the second option is minus 3 x cube y square minus 2x square y cube. And the third option is 3x cube y square minus 2x square y cube. Now the fourth option is minus 4x square y cube minus 3x cube y square. These are the four options. So we can solve this problem. So these are the four options. So the product of two binomials, this is one binomial, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. We have to do the multiplication of any two binomials. We have to get the answer 18 x power 5 y power 5 minus 9 x power 6 y power 4 minus 8 x to the power of 4 y power 6. So we can multiply any two options, either 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 or 1 and 4. You have to get the answer, the given number, that is 18 x to the power of 5 y power 5 minus 6x to the 9x to the power of 9x to the power of 6 y power 4 minus 8x to the power of 4 y power 6. We have to get the answer, that is, so have to take any two. So we have to get that answer. So I am thinking here, if you multiply these two, here minus, here plus, plus into minus minus, but there is no option here. So we have to get plus. That's why I am trying first option and the third option. Now I am checking first option. What is the first option? 4x square y cube minus 3x cube y square into the third option is 3x cube y square minus 2x square y cube. Now we are multiplying first term with first term with second term, second term with first term, second. Now we are doing 4 3s are 12. X square into x cube, x power 5. Y cube into y square, y power 5. Minus second term into second, minus 8 x square into x square, x to the power of 4. Y cube into y cube, y power 6. Are you okay, my dear students? Next, now we multiply. Minus 3 3s are 9, x cube into x cube, x power 6, y square into y square, y power 4. So minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6, x square into x cube, x power 5, y square into y cube, y power 5. Now here 12x to the power of 5 y power 5, 6x power 5 y power 5. I am taking 18 x power 5 y power 5 minus these two are not like terms, so write as it is 8 x to the power of 4 y power 6 minus 9 x to the power of 6 y power 4. That is the answer. That is the answer. So we have a doubt in your mind. How can we check first and third option? Why don't you check the first and second options? So if we check the first and second options, I am getting 4 3s are minus, plus into minus minus, but there is no minus, and the next minus into minus plus, there is no plus. That's why I am avoiding the second option and directly go to the third option. I will get the answer. If I was not getting the second or third option is correct, now I move into the fourth option. Third option or the fourth option. Fourth option would rather make avakasam undi. Here minus into minus, there is a plus. That's all. Note on this problem. Note on this problem. Okay? I'm very sorry. Now, so sixth question, reasoning type question. Statement 1. If a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is simplified, that means we have to multiply both. They have multiplied a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is simplified. Then the expression is, we have to get the answer, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We have to get that answer. So we have to check that, is that right or wrong? In the statement 2, they are after that statement 2, first of all, the first statement is you have to multiply problem number 6, that is a plus b plus c into, they are giving a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We have to multiply both, so we will get the answer. Now get ready, students. I am multiplying directly. I'm directly. So we have completed so many problems. That's why I'm doing directly. So look here. First, multiply a with all the terms. First, a into a square, a cube, plus a into b square, a b square, plus a into c square, a c square, minus a into ab, a square b, minus a into bc, a bc, minus a into ca, a square c. Now b plus a into b, a square, b into a square b, b into b square, b cube, plus b into c square, bc square. Are you okay? Are you following? I am explaining again. A into a square, a cube, a into b square, ab square, a into c square, ac square. Okay? A into ab, a square b, minus bc into a, abc, a into c, ac square c. Now b into a square b, plus b into b square, b cube, b into c square, bc square, minus b into ab square, minus b into bc, b square c, minus b into ac, abc. Now with c. I am writing here. C into a square c, plus b into c, b square into c, b square c, plus c into c square, c cube, minus ab into c, abc, minus bc into c, bc square, minus bc into c, ac square. Okay? Now I am simplifying. Here I have a cube, here b cube, here c cube. Now I am writing a cube plus b here, b cube plus c cube. Now I have a b square. Is there any a b squares? Here a b square. Observe here a b square, here a b square, plus a minus a b square, plus a b square are cancelled. A c square. Is there any a c squares? Yes, here a c square and a c square are cancelled. A square b, a square b, a square b, a square b. Minus abc, here minus abc, here minus a. Total minus 3abc. Next, a square c, both are cancelled. bc square, bc square, bc square, bc square. Next, b square c, b square c are cancelled. So the final answer is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is the answer. So in the sixth question, the statement 1 is true. The statement 1 is true. So now coming to the second statement. Product of monomials is equal to product of their numerical coefficients into product of their literal coefficients. I told you na, the first one, the rules of multiplications is symbol into symbol, numbers into numbers. I told you na, that's why I giving you. They given. That is product of monomials is equal to product of their numerical coefficient, numbers into literal coefficients, x into x, y into y, x into y, like that. The both statements are correct. That means the first statement is true, second statement is the correct explanation of statement 1. So sixth question, option 1 is the correct. Are you okay, my dear students? So now we can do the divisions. After that we can complete the remaining formulas. Now we are moving on to the divisions of algebraic expressions. Keep the heading. Divisions of algebraic expressions. So divisions of algebraic expressions is completely different from additions and subtractions and multiplications. This is somehow easy and this is somehow tough. So a binomial and the trinomial or the multinomial with a monomial is easy, but multinomial and the binomial and trinomial with the binomial is somehow tough. For example, I am giving you one problem in the very binomial by binomial, sorry, monomial by monomial we are discussing. So otherwise we are keeping the heading monomial by monomial. Monomial by monomial. That is divide. I am writing one more thing. 16 a square b square divided by 4ab. That is the question. Divide 16 a square b square divided by 4ab. This is monomial by monomial. Numerator is the monomial and the denominator is also monomial. In this way, the divisions of algebraic expressions is very easy. We can do directly. That is 16 divided by 16 a square b square divided by 4ab. Here 4 cancel by 16 4 times. A and a square cancel by 1 time. B cancel by b square 1 time. So we are getting that is equal to 4ab. So monomial by monomial divisions are easy. This is the proof. This is the proof. That means there is no plus and minus symbols here after the term. Why? Because it has only one term. That's why we can do directly number with number and the letter with letter. We are getting the answer 4. Okay. For example, I am giving you one more problem in this method. Divide 18x square y square divided by 4x. How can we divide? This is you can do directly. That is 18x square y square by 4x. So 18 exactly is not exactly cancelled by 4. So we are cancelled 2 table 2 times 9 times x cancel by x times. So that is equal to 9xy square by 2. 9xy square by 2. X cancel by x square x times. So y is the common. So 18 and 4 2 table is cancelled by 9 by 2 times. Are you okay? So we have I am concluding this. Monomial by monomial is very easy. That's why we are getting easy answers. Okay, note of this. So the second and the last is actually we did not keep the headings, but we keep now. That's why we are following. That is, so anything that means monomial or binomial after except the monomial. By monomial by monomial, binomial by binomial, trinomial by or multinomial by monomial is easy. So how can we? I am giving a one problem. That means if you want to keep the heading, write like this: binomial or trinomial or multinomial. ఏదైనా కానీ by monomial. I am giving the direct heading. Binomial or trinomial or multinomial by monomial. For example, the problem is divide 16x to the power of 4 plus 4x square y cube minus 8x y square minus plus 16 xy divided by 4x. 4x. We have to divide the whole expression. The expression is multinomial. Why? Because it has 4 terms. We can divide with 4x. The meaning of the question is actually 16x to the power of 4 plus 4x square y cube minus 8xy square plus 16xy plus 16xy divided by 4x. This is in the form of a fraction. So I am dividing each and everything, each and every fraction. That is 16x square by 4x plus 4x square y cube by 4x minus 8x y square by 4x plus 16xy by 4x. So 4 cancel by 16 4 times, x cancel by x square x times. So it is 4x plus 4 cancel, x cancel by x square x times. So next one is y cube minus 4 cancel by here 2 times, x cancel. So this is 2y square plus 4 cancel by 16 4 times, x are cancel. So the answer is 4. This is noted. So we have to conclude. So monomial by monomial or binomial by binomial or trinomial or multinomial by monomial is very easy. By divisions are very easy. Doing like this, dividing the terms. If we have the any common factors are cancelled, the remaining are as it is. So that is the answer. So now on to the different topic, that is divisions by multinomial by another multinomial or multinomial by binomial or binomial by trinomial by binomial or multinomial by binomial, and that means so it has different way, not only monomial, other way. So we can discuss. So no need to keep the heading, you can directly go to the problems. So I am giving you the problem is divide x square plus, sorry I am changing, x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 4 by x plus 1. X cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 4 by x plus 1. I think you have already learnt in 7th class. Already one is 7th class on H1 it's very easy. We can do it. What is the term? X cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 4 dividing with x plus 1. So we can do it. How can we do it? Here the coefficient is 1. 1 is divisible by 1 is 1 time. So x is divisible by x cube, x square times. X cube is divisible by x is x square times. Actually we have x plus 1. So we should multiply with x square. X square into x is x cube plus 1 into x square is x square. Right here. That is x cube plus x square. Subtract minus. These two are the cancel. 2x square minus x square is x square minus 3x. Here x square, here x. The coefficient 1, the symbols are plus. So I am adding plus. X is cancelled by x square is cancelled by x is x times. So I am writing x plus 1 into x. X into x is x square plus 1 into x is x. I am writing here x square plus x. I am subtracting minus. These two are the cancel. Minus 3x minus x is minus 4x. Down the next term, that is 4. Okay. Here minus 4. I am writing minus 4 here. That is x plus 1 into minus 4. Now I am multiplying. Minus 4 into x is minus 4x plus 1 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4. I am writing here minus 4x minus 4. So symbols are changed, plus these two are the cancelled. 4 plus 4 is 8. This is the way of division. This is the way of division. Here we have only two terms, trinomial or the multinomial or the whatever we have, we can do this. So note down this problem. I will explain my multinomial by multinomial in the next one. So I am erasing. I think you know very well about this. That's why I am doing in a direct way. I am explaining in a direct way. That means this time I am giving you a different problem. divide x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube, not 4x cube, x cube minus x power 4 minus 4x square plus 12x minus 9 by x square minus 2x plus 3. We are dividing these two. The first one we are writing x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 12x minus 9 with the term x square minus 2x plus 3. We are doing division. It's very easy. Here the coefficient 1, here also 1, so no need to write anything. X to the power of 4 is divided by x square is x square times. So now I am multiplying x square into what I have here, x square minus 2x plus 3. Now multiply x square into x square, x to the power of 4 minus 2x into x square, 2x cube plus 3 into x square, 3x square. Right here x to the power of 4, there is no x cube term, but we have to write x cube term, 2x cube plus 3x square. So be careful students, there is no x cube term in the question, but there is x cube term in the next step, so be careful. So we have to change the signs, minus plus minus, these two are the cancel. First x cube, 2x cube, here minus 4 minus 3, so minus total minus 7x square plus 12x. Here plus symbol, here also plus symbol, so keep plus. Here 1 2 is the symbol, x square is cancelled, x cube is x times, so we are writing 2x into x square minus 2x plus 3. Now multiply 2x into x square is equal to 2x cube minus 2 2s are 4, x into x square plus 3 2s are 6x. That is 2x cube minus 4x square plus 6x. Changing the symbols, minus plus minus, these two are cancelled. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3x square, 12 minus 6 is 6, so 6x. Down the next term is minus 9. I think hope you following. I hope you following, because we have solved many problems in the 7th class. That's why I am going directly. Okay. The next one, minus 3 is the coefficient. Writing I am minus 3. Here x square, both are the same. So now I am multiplying minus 3 with x square minus 2x plus 3. Now multiply minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6x, minus 3 3s are 9. Now I am writing here, that is minus 3x square plus 6x minus 9. This is plus minus plus. These two are the cancel, these two are the cancel, these two are the cancel. So the answer is 0. So in any division, that means monomial, binomial by monomial or whatever, so we are getting, so we have a rule. So in the lower class we have learnt very well, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here, what is the quotient? This is the quotient. This is the quotient. What is the divisor? Yes, this is the divisor. What is this is the divisor. What is this? This is the dividend. And what is this? Remainder. So every division we have to check whether the division is right or not by this formula. The formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have to check our formula. Dividend. What is the dividend here? So we have to get this answer, x to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 12x minus 9 is equal to, what is the divisor? The divisor is x square plus, sorry, so once wait, I think you can't see the board when I was writing here, so I am writing up there. That means dividend is equal to, what is the dividend we have? X to the power of 4 minus 4x square plus 12x minus 9 is equal to dividend. What is the divisor? X square minus 2x plus 3 into divisor x square plus 2x minus 3 plus the remainder is 0. So we have to multiply this x square into r minus 2x into r 3 into r, x square into x square, x to the power of 4, 2x into x square, 2x cube, minus 3 into x square, 3x square, minus 2x into x square, minus 2x cube, minus 2x into minus 2x, minus 4x square, minus into minus plus 6x. Plus we should multiply with 3, 3 into x square, 3x square, plus 3 2s are 6x, minus 9. So I am simplifying x to the power of 4, here 2x cube, here minus 2x cube, both are the cancel. The same way, minus 3x square, minus 4x square, 7x, so plus 3x square, minus 3 are cancelled. So we are getting minus 4x square, plus 12x, minus 9. So the same answer in the LHS. So our division is absolutely right. Our division is absolutely right. This is the way of divisions. So I am giving you some work to you in this video. The work is, if you see the 7th and 8th and 9th problems, so we can solve by homework. Once look there. These are the comprehension type questions. Comprehension type questions means they are giving some instructions and some paragraph. They are giving the questions based on the paragraph. So we have to solve. In the paragraph they are given. So that is the process of divisions. But the process of divisions, they are division of multinomial by another multinomial. How can we divide the multinomial by multinomial? This is the way they are giving. We have to read that three points A, B, C. So we can understand easily and we can solve the question 7, 8 and 9. If you see the 7th question, the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle means they are giving dividend. And the breadth is given. What is the formula of area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. If length is equal to, what is the formula? Area of a rectangle by breadth. So we have to divide the first expression by the second expression. The same way, second question. The base of the triangle is 2x square plus 5x plus 3 and the area is given. Find height. What is the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. So they are asking what is the height. So we can find A is equal to half into base into height. We can get the value of h. So we can divide by based on the problem. I will explain this problem. I think we have doubt. They are giving area is equal to half into base into height. That means A is equal to BH by 2. So we can transpose 2 here. That means 2A by B is equal to h. In the question they are given area and they are given breadth. We have to divide with 2. We will get 2A. 2A divided by B. So we have to multiply with 2 and divide it with B. So next, ninth problem. Ninth problem is very easy. If x square minus 7x plus 12, you can divide with x minus 3. You will get some answer. Plus the same way you will get the second answer. We add these two. The answer is P. What is P? They are asking. Next, fifth question. We have to solve by options. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can multiply x plus 2 into x plus 3. We can check the various option. The same way x minus 3 into x plus 3. We have to multiply x minus 3 into x plus 2. We'll get the same answer. We have to find where it is. That's why you can solve the 10th question. 11th question. The lengths of 3 y's are the meters. They are giving the lengths of 3 y's. They are asking the perimeter. What is the total length? The total length means we have to add all the terms. They are giving 3 terms. Have the 3 terms. You will get the answer. Next. 12th question. If the lengths of 4 sides of a quadrilateral are given, what is the perimeter? Perimeter means length of the boundary. Then we can add the lengths of 4 sides. They are giving. First one is 2x minus 3y plus 5z, 8x minus 9y plus 6z. We have to add all these. We can get the answer. The next question. ABC had some rupees. What is the total? We can add all these. The same way we can solve the 15th question. 14th question. Subtract the sum of their two expressions from the sum of 2x. First we have to add the first two expressions and the two second expressions. We can subtract the first one from the second one. Are you okay? First two expressions add cheyandi, last two express cheyandi. First two question answer ni second lunchi, second nunchi first ni subtract chesam. The same way, if 2x minus 3y plus 7z is subtracted from the expression, the result is given. What is a by x plus b y plus? Very easy. You can solve this also. So Try to complete the homework from 7th question to 15th question. When you completed the homework, send me the pics of homework to me. Okay. So up to now we have completed the chapter algebra. In the next class we can go to the polynomials. When you are watching the video, if you have any doubts in the divisions, in the multiplications and addition subtractions, we can ask me, I will explain. Okay. Thank you.